parallax scrolling, and it happens when the background seems to move at a different pace than the foreground content, creating a 3D depth effect. Welcome to Foxify Tutorials by Foxecom. In today's video, we will give you a step-by-step guide on how to create a parallax background on your Foxify templates. This will add a touch of magic to your website, engaging visitors and leaving a lasting impression. You can use the timestamps to navigate through the video.
A theme can be considered the backbone of your store, defining its overall look, feel, and functions. We proudly present to you Zest, a solid base for your online store that is more flexible than flexibility, optimized for conversion and packed with built-in features, and especially dealt with the success of mobile commerce in mind. Your store is generated by clean code, tested and approved by Shopify. Ready to grow your business using the most beloved theme. And get support from our dedicated team. Join the mobile revolution with Zest.
Now, let's get back to creating a parallax background in Foxify Page Builder. To start, we will create a new section. Here, we select a text section that include heading block, text block, and button block for a quick start. In the Styles tab, we will choose a background image to do the parallax effect in Backgrounds tab. At the first glance, it appears odd, so we are gonna tweak it to enhance the background's appearance. By increasing the background image height in the Size tab, maybe to 800 pixels. Place the content in the center position by opening the Layout tab, then select Enable Auto Layout checkbox and change the content position. And the most important part, to create a parallax background. We will go to Backgrounds tab, click More Settings button, then select Fixed option in the Background Attachment field. Very simple. Now we have successfully created the parallax background as you can see on the screen. In addition, you can simply modify the background size, background repeat and background position to make the background look more balanced and cohesive. Give the text, heading and button color to make the parallax background outstanding and easy to see the content. That's all. You now know how to create a background image with parallax effect in Foxify Page Builder. This simple technique can elevate your Shopify store from basic to breathtaking, leaving an impression on your visitors and ultimately boosting conversions. If you like our video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you won't miss any other future tutorials. Thank you for watching.